Happy Friday again. I finally caught my breath. Look at this. If this doesn't kill one of us, nothing will, but I guarantee you, we may all be dead, but Platinum Cookware will survive. I'm going to hand this to Dennis because Dennis is kind of Indian and we're on an Indian reservation. Over there is a bulldozer. So if Dennis dies, it's pretty easy. Shovel down, gone, and we're home back at the office in half an hour. Dennis, I'm going to hand this to you and I'm going to start running now. Goodbye, everybody. Keep coming, keep coming. Run! Oh my God! Camera person, we gotta go and look at this lid. This was crazy. I cannot believe what I just saw. I think that lid, it's still alive. Hold on. That lid.
A little beat up, but
This is why we offer a lifetime warranty for the greatest cookware on the planet. Happy Friday!